JetBlue is happy to welcome you to New York's John F. Kennedy Airport, where the local time is 8:58. For your safety, please keep buckled up and keep carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins, as items tend to move during flight. When the boarding door opens, I will check for you at which carousel you will find your checked bags this evening. If you have a receipt that says claim at gate, those receipts are usually pink. You may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the aircraft, including a wheelchair, please remain seated after we've arrived at the gate, so we may best assist you, and I can let you know when the wheelchairs have arrived. For information on connecting flights and baggage claim, you may check airport monitors or download our free JetBlue mobile app. We hope you've enjoyed the JetBlue experience. On behalf of all of us at JetBlue, New York's hometown airline, and especially this New York City-based crew, we thank you again for choosing us. If this is your final destination and you're planning to get a rideshare like Uber or Lyft or a taxi, please follow the signs to the designated pickup area and don't accept a ride from anyone approaching you, as they may not be a legal driver. The taxi and ride at pickup areas have recently changed here at JFK. Taxis are now located in the T5 parking garage, and ride at pickup is now adjacent to Terminal 7 via the air train.